Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tony. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the side marker light assembly on your YJ. So before we get into this, remember if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have a question, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of great stuff going on. So let's get rolling on this, and I'll show you what's involved in doing it. So to remove the parking light cover, there are two Phillips screws. There's one here and one here, and this cover is it's a pain in the sense that it's plastic. They break really easy. I was pretty careful with not tightening these screws when I changed them out to clear, but they still crack. They crack so easy, it's ridiculous. I'm yet to find like a good set of covers that don't crack in the middle. I mean, the factory ones did it. They all seem to do it. So you remove those two Phillips screws, and the housing should slide right out for you. It's just kind of a small little thing. So to free up the parking light on the side, what you have to do is you have to reach up and under, and right here is where the parking light screws in. It's right here. It twists into place. So you have to twist that and hold the hand on the other side of the light so it doesn't fall off, and it should pull right out for you. And now you can remove the parking light lens. So this side marker light, the bulb happens to be a 194. So if you need to change it, just go to your auto parts store and get a 194. Put this assembly back together, make sure all the dirt is out here. There are a couple little notches in there. So you're going to put your parking light housing into place. Poke the parking light socket through, and you're going to twist it underneath and turn it, and that'll lock it into place. So now all you need to do is put those two Phillips screws in that we took out. And again, I said it in a previous video on the front parking light turn signals. Don't crank down on these because it'll break the plastic. I just bought these a couple of years ago, and I'm up in New England with the cold and everything else. I don't drive this in the winter, but even at that, I haven't cranked down on these, and they're just all split and broke. If anybody has a good set out there, you want to send us some to try out, send them in, we'll try them out. But I'm yet to find like a good set that doesn't crack. So I put them back in gingerly. That's all you really need to do. So that's all there really is to it. Just wanted to give you guys a couple tips and tricks along the way to make it a little bit easier on you. If you have any questions, leave a comment, sub the channel, like the video if you liked it, and until then, I will see you next time. Thanks for tuning in.